Dantana.
Dear LG, my name is Eric, the Tech Preacher. I'm writing you this letter today as a concerned fan and a YouTube content creator. Over the years, I've used your mobile devices and I love them. And for years, I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly from your devices, and I dealt with it. From 2018 to 2020, I've seen some big changes in your mobile devices, such as the LG G7 or the LG V40, one of my favorite phones. And then in 2019, you made a statement, a bold statement. You released a great device with the LG G8, the LG G8X, and the LG V50, which has optional dual displays, which was great. And in 2020 was the most exciting year for me. The great LG V60 with an optional dual display, the LG Velvet, a beautiful design device. The LG Wing was a bold move that was very refreshing. But something happened. Everything came to a halt in 2021. Reports and rumors started to emerge about the massive losses in your mobile division and also selling off your mobile division, which has the LG community in a flux. Now we are in February 2021 and we are in a state of emergency. We're not getting any software updates, no security patches, no signs of new hardware coming out. I remember at CES 2021, you showed off your new rollable phone, which later we heard that it was delayed or canceled. So now we really in the flux. No communication from LG, no information, no leaks, no nothing. What's going on, LG? You're not gonna let your huge community leave for another platform such as Apple or Samsung. They would love to take this community. So today I'm writing you this letter to demand answers as an LG fan that been there through it all, the good and the bad. We have the right to know, are you abandoning us? Your smartphones bring a lot to the table. We, as the LG fans, love having great innovation and features, such as headphone jacks with quad DACs, our optional dual screens, great cameras with Pro Mode with internal mics for the pro user, a device that has a dual screen like no other, the LG Wing. Also, it has great features like gimbal mode and more. One thing that I can count on using my LG phones is knowing that I'm going to have a great overall experience. Best in class display, best in class cameras, best in class pro features. But now everything is on hold. We demand answers. I understand companies need to make money, but the lack of communication worries me. Come on, LG, get back in the game. Show us your best in class product at a good value, and your customers will be there. Your fans will be there. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Thank you for reading this letter that I wrote to you. I hope to hear from you soon. Signed, the Tech Preacher.